Hello and welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks Company. So for this video we're going to be assembling the Auburn Speedster car. So this is the one that has the covered version, the hard top or whatever, canvas top, not hard top, I think it's canvas. I've already assembled that one. This assembly video will apply to this one or the open top. So let's go ahead and start removing the sprues. Yep, so take your clippers and clip away all these sprues. Alright, there's those. This piece doesn't need anything. I'll just go ahead and clean up these wheels now. All right. Now removing the sprues from the bumpers, and last but not least, worked on that, removing that support plastic there. Great, done the clipping process. Well, no, not done the clipping process. Here's the steering wheel. So of course, if you're working on the covered version, you won't have to deal with that. Alright, so put some glue here. Dab of glue there, some glue there. And then carefully put this together. Great. Next is this piece. You want to slide that in, or you almost don't need to glue it. I'll just leave it like that. Next thing, let's put the wheel. For this, I'll get the little tweezers ready. There you go, there's the steering wheel. Up next is the wheels. So for this process, just make sure that the axle is going in the center, of course, of the wheel. Okay. The axle in the center of the wheel. Very good. Now we just got to get these bumpers glued on. So let's start with the rear bumper. Yeah, you take this one. All right. And put that rear bumper on. Okay, there we go. Now, take some glue, put it on the front like that. Let's see if we can manage to get that front bumper on. I'm gonna make sure it actually gets on there. Alright, so this one's a bit problematic. If you have any extremely quick glue, that you just put it on real quick and then it gets that part secured quickly. That would be a quick bonding. Right now we don't have any of that in stock, so the best suggestion I can say for you with is Loctite glue. Put the bumper on like this and then leave. Once you get it in a good position, alright, I gotta keep fiddling, but once you get it in a good position, leave it like this. Just hold it like this until its bonding is complete. Alright, so that's the Auburn Speedster with the front bumper falling off, but it's available at miniaturetanks.com. Just try to get that front bumper glued on. Like I said, for some reason it's having a problem. Maybe yours won't be a problem like mine is right now, hopefully. Yep, anyways, that's the covered version and the open top version, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.